The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Allegheny, Virginia County, southern Bath County, north central Botetourt County, northern Rockbridge County, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Covington, Clifton Forge, Goshen, Millboro, Collierstown, Rockbridge Baths, and Iron Gate. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Buffalo Creek, Cabin Creek, Broad Creek, Alum Creek, Cedar Creek, Calf-Alsua River, Cedar Grove Branch, Alone Mill Creek and Bluesuck Branch.